My background is in human resources management and public relations.
I'm Ilona Smilgute. I'm currently 28 years old. I'm part of Season 7 Acceleration Track program, IT Project Management, and I actually currently work in data migration project.
Hi, my name is Pamela. I am from Argentina. I didn't know very well if I was doing what I wanted because, first of all, I'm a graphic designer. I was thinking maybe I need to change.
My name is Valeria and I'm a recent graduate of Women Go Tech Acceleration Program and freshly baked product owner.
Hi, my name is Rugila and I'm doing UX UI course at Women Go Tech.
Hello everyone, my name is Zara and I recently finished acceleration program by Women Go Tech.
I joined the Women Go Tech program because I was inquisitive. I wanted to learn. I had a passion to be empowered, and I discovered that Women Go Tech was empowering women from all over the world.
Actually considering expanding my skill sets because I'm working in the project and I was feeling that I was lacking skills in that. So when LinkedIn actually recommended me like the Women Go Tech and it had like IT project management track, it was like no-brainer, like okay, let's apply and see how it goes.
I realized that there is no such one unified learning to learn how to be a good product owner. So I thought maybe I need different type of learning. And Women Go Tech came to my mind because of mentorship experience, because I thought, well, I will have a chance to learn from the experienced mentor in this field.
I decided to join this program because I already had some self-study experience in my chosen track, and what I lacked most was the mentor. This program seemed to offer exactly what my needs were, so that's why I applied.
Exchange of ideas, the insights I received from my mentor was the most impactful part of the program. We have bonded like glue. The program has impacted my confidence. I know that anything is possible. I now have a network of mentors and friends.
My first time getting a mentor, which actually helped me a lot because sometimes I tend to get lost in my thoughts. So the mentor, Mindaugas, he's awesome, honestly. I'm recommending him every time I can. He helped me to get through all the hurdles, like get all like answers to me or like guide me to the answers I wanted to like achieve. So I think that was the most impactful one.
So the most impactful part from this program for me was the feeling of unity, because there were a lot of people in the same place as me, either starting over or switching their careers or just want to improve in specific tech field. So it was very inspiring and motivational for me.
Mentorship was amazing, not just because my mentor teach me a lot of stuff, but I think the biggest thing for me, it was to increase my self-confidence.
The most beneficial part is mentorship experience. I did not realize before how valuable can be communicating and networking with people outside your area. The networking, the collaboration brings new and fresh perspectives because you look at your daily things from the fresh angle. Regarding my mentor, I don't know, maybe I am very lucky, but I found the perfect match, and the relationship between me and my mentor even developed from the mentorship to coaching.
It was a very useful experience in terms of understanding what is behind the career of backend developer, how the day-to-day operations work, and everything related to real work that is not possible to feel without having a job or just through going in some online trainings. So the mentor gave me all this possibility to get the sense of real work.
I got a lot of practical knowledge in this case in the project. So now I know all those theoretical ones, how to start the project, how to guide the project, how to end the project in this case. I grew a lot as a person. Now I ask so much more questions than I previously did. It's quite good. I'm still like evolving like a flower, like a Pokemon in this case it would be. But yeah, it's like it was very impactful. I cannot recognize myself sometimes from when I was like in March when I started the program or just applied like to now. It's like totally two different people.
Most impactful part of the program for me, it was to know other people in the same situation. Like sometimes you feel that you are the only one and they are struggling with your thoughts and you are feeling that you are not useful or you are not too good to do this. During this program I met a lot of girls, amazing stories, and how other people was.
I was pleasantly surprised to see the enthusiasm of the whole community. The networking platform was the golden source of inspiration. We met for a coffee, we shared our experiences, challenges, and even became friends.
I learned a lot of technical skills, but what is more important is the amount of connections I received, both from peer students on different tracks and a lot of professional connections like recruiters, senior developers, and so on, which I think will be a great help for me and my peers in our future career life. Another thing was a very great opportunity to meet lots of companies.
And the other part were definitely the talks that were held, the speakers that they had. It was really amazing to hear all of those stories and in some sense maybe even relate to them or just see as an example of how career switches work. And also the sessions were really helpful, and one that stuck to me the most was about UX research. It was done by two product designers from Miro, which I was really impressed by, not only their presentation, but from Women Go Tech perspective to have designers from such a well-known named companies join this journey and help entry levels and future designers.
If you're considering like to join Women Go Tech at least like next season, definitely put time to consider what do you want to take from the program in this case.
Don't get close into just studying your tech stack. If you are a backend developer, for example, or whatever specialty you choose, it's a lot more important to communicate with other people, to go to different events. So it's a great opportunity to learn from experienced people and to get a lot of connections. This is probably much more important than to learn your tech stack.
I would love to encourage you to join the program, to try yourself, and to not be afraid, because even for a foreigner like me, a mom like me, more than 30 years, you can restart your career.
I just want to remind that it is never too late to learn, to change your career path, and just know that there is huge supporting community ahead of you. So just engage with different people, connect, network, find your own mentor, and you will definitely succeed in your journey.
Take that leap. Your journey awaits.